Good morning. It's another beautiful day here in Sindo, HomaBay County, and I'm gonna give you a quick tour of my room. So let's do this. So this is the entrance. Come here. There's this huge veranda over here. I love that the window has this wire mesh, so that means you can leave it open, no mosquitoes. Okay, and then we have this chair here, and now entering into the room. I love this carpet, really nice. And then those are my stuff. That part, that is the bed. It's a 5 by 6, and there is a net as well, so that protects you from the mosquitoes. I love this light fixture. Beautiful light fixture. More of the net. And then there is, of course, that's like the trash place, and there is this beautiful sculpture here. Is it called a sculpture or a painting? And there is monkeys up here. And another light fixture, really beautiful. So this is the view of the bed. And then there's another sitting area here, and wardrobe with a few hangers, and the curtains are really beautiful. Now let me show you the bathroom, shower area. Everything is white. They provide you with 2 pieces of soap. This toilet paper, that's the toilet. Oh my goodness, the monkeys. That's the shower area. I love me a separate shower and sitting area. So guys, let me know what you think. This goes for 5,000 Kenya shillings, bed only.